Hello, all. I'm currently sitting inside of Mercedes-Benz CLS63 AMG model, Australian version manufactured in 2013. Today we installed an Apple CarPlay into existing audio system. So the system works with existing head hardwares and also the screen sound system. So once our system gets fitted, when you press it, there will be the cancel button next to the control knob. It switches to the CarPlay screen straight away. And in the same method, it goes back to the factory audio when you press and hold again. Yeah, for the sound wise, obviously the screen will provide the video parts of the CarPlay. For the sound, it uses the internal aux connection. So there's currently the car's aux and CarPlay box. They are currently being connected with the internal auxiliary input. So as long as the sound source set to the auxiliary, it will play sound from the CarPlay throughout the entire speakers in the car. So as we overlay the touch panel onto the existing screen, it provides a dedicated touch function for CarPlay. So unfortunately, it doesn't make the factory audio system as touch functional as well. However, it provides all the touch function like swipe, and zoom in and out through the touch panel, and obviously the CarPlay will be controlled to the touch function. The CarPlay also supports the Siri, the voice commands, so does our system. So it's a brief showcase of how Siri works in your car when the system gets fitted. For example, when you say, "Hey Siri," it responds to your voice. So from there you can say like, "Take me to nearest petrol station."
The nearest RRC speaking on Dawson Street in Brunswick West. Is that the one you want?
Yes.
Getting directions to BP.
As you can see, the Apple Map responds to your voice and direct you to the nearest petrol station I just requested. And from there, once it loads up, the navigation will show up and you can just touch the screen to commence it.
Starting route to BP. Head west on the route, then turn right onto Henkel Street.
And also, while you're on the navigation from the Apple Map, you can also listen to the music as well. Same message, just talk to Siri, like, "Hey Siri, play me a music."
Okay.
As you can see, while listening on the Apple Map showing the navigation, you still can listen to your music to your iPhone. Exactly the same function as when you're using your actual iPhone. And also, while you're on CarPlay mode, some of our customers asked whether they switch back to the factory audio screen just to see the reversing camera when the car's reversing, which is absolutely not needed at all. So while you're on CarPlay mode, you can just simply put the car in reverse and it will show the rear side on the existing screen without required to change the screen to the factory audio. I'll just demonstrate right now. If you put the car in reverse, rear side show up straight away. Now, like a dynamic guidelines and everything will remain the same. That's exactly the factory camera setup they installed in this vehicle. And when you put the car back to parking, goes back to CarPlay mode straight away.